We'll guide you through how to get your Stripe API key. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your Stripe settings. Look for the Developers option in the sidebar menu on the left side of your screen and click on it. When the Developers page opens, you'll see several options. Click on API Keys to access the section where your API keys are stored. Here, you'll find both the publishable key and the secret key. These are the keys you'll use to connect Stripe to your application and start processing payments. It's important to note that the publishable key is used on the client side, while the secret key should be kept secure and used on the server side. To reveal your secret key, you'll need to click on the Reveal Live Key button. Remember, keep your secret key confidential and never share it in public repositories or with unauthorized individuals. If you need to regenerate the keys for security reasons, you can do so by clicking the Regenerate Key option. Be aware that if you regenerate your keys, you'll need to update them in your application to avoid any disruption in service. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Stripe API keys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.